beam. These are pillar. This is the very common word we can listen in our daily life in the construction of the buildings or bridges. Now, what is a beam or pillar? A cylindrical or square shaped column are made by rocks or concrete with steel in it. Is called beam or pillar. We can design like that only. In every room that is exist nowadays, in a buildings also and bridges also. Okay, a cylindrical or square shape. Especially in our houses, we can take a square shape. Or bridges, square shape or cylindrical shape. We can see. A cylindrical or square shaped columns are made by rocks. In olden days, we can see the old temples and by the kingdoms period, the temples are built by the cylindrical shape of the rods and having the number of designs on it. Okay, that is made by the rocks. Nowadays, concrete with steel. A cylindrical or square shaped columns are made by rocks or concrete with steel in it is called beam or pillar. Pillars are very commonly used in the construction of buildings and bridges. Pillars are two types by its construction, that is called round ended pillar, distributed ended pillar. This is round ended pillar. This is distributed ended pillar. Now, round ended pillar. This pillar shape is uniform from top to bottom. It is uniform from top to bottom, so it is not applicable for heavy load suspended on it. If it is means if we can suspend heavy load, maybe bends any side and chance to break, means when heavy load is false, it is heavy load is false, it may be bends like this, or maybe in this side. If it is bends or sometimes break also. Next, it is also not suggestible. This is the load, we can say weight. We know that weight is a vector. Vector is resolved into two components. Now you take this is one component, this is another component. What happened? These components are away from the rod. When it is acts away from the rods, that's why it is a chance to bend or break. Okay. Now let us take distributed ended pillar. This pillar, both ends have more area than its middle part, so it is not bends. When heavy load is suspended on it, it is not bends. When heavy load is suspended on it, if heavy load is taken on it, the weight of the load is passing through its distributed ends. Now the weight is acts. Just now only I am saying weight is a which one? Vector. Vector is resolved into how many components? Two components. This component is passing through this. This is also passing through this. Okay. If heavy load is taken on it, the weight of the load is passes through its distributed ends, because this type of pillars are used in the construction of buildings, rails. You can see the railway track, how the rail is present like this. On the railway track, rail is present. This is one rail, this is one rail, and also on the bridges. Okay. This is about the types of the pillars or types of the beams. One is round ended pillar, another one is distributed ended pillar. Which is the best? Distributed end pillar is the best one than the round-ended pillar. Why? When the heavy load is falls on the round-ended pillar, it may be bends in this side or bends in this side. Why? The weight is acts, the weight is a vector resolved into two components, travels away from the round-ended pillar. But in case of a distributed ended pillar, the both ends area is more. When the weight is acts on it, the weight, again it is a vector resolved into two components. The two components are passing through the which one? The distributed ends. That's why it never bends. That's why which is suggestible? The distributed end pillars are suggestible than the round-ended pillar. This is one of the small topic, may be important for 2 marks question in this chapter.